Horses out, we've got Sweet na Sweet past the begin, moving a party out, so now is Medals Time, Trojan Knight, then followed by Coquette, My San Diego comes next, Virgin Island, Secret Truth, and Pleasant Girl is the early trailer by about 9 lengths up the pace. Into the turn they gallop, Medals Time, this time by about 3 for Abalenka, right behind him second now is Trojan Knight, Coquette moving a party out, so now Sweet na Sweet together with My San Diego. Then next on line, Secret Truth, Virgin Island, then too far behind this Pleasant Girl. Back to the leader, Medals Time regains the lead by about half length. Trojan Knight is on the outside, then comes My San Diego, Secret Truth. Now trying to get closer in fourth, Sweet na Sweet in fifth, moving a party outside, Virgin Island, Coquette, and Pleasant Girl. Trojan Knight this time by Alenka. Medals Time is running by the second, moving up My San Diego the outside as they come down at the last 150. Trojan Knight still in front, running by the release. Medals Time moving up My San Diego. Last 100 meters, we have Trojan Knight now by about 4 lengths over My San Diego. Medals Time, and finally Trojan Knight, My San Diego. Then comes Medals Time, Sweet na Sweet, Coquette for your pentapecta.